In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get a dot crosshair in CS2, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. This is quite an easy process. All you have to do is navigate to your settings and go to Game, and then you can click Crosshair. Now here's where you can actually customize your actual crosshair. As you can see, mine is quite large, but what you can do is you can make sure that you have a center dot. And if you want to change everything else, what you're going to do is change the length and the thickness to 0 and also the gap. And you can also change the outline to be bigger or smaller depending on what you want your dot to look like. And if you want it to be a certain color, you can change these colors as well to kind of customize your color. And that's really all there is to it. That's just how you get the dot, and you just have to make sure the length, the thickness, and the gap are all at their lowest point, because if not, there's going to be a crosshair that looks like this. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.